Welcome to Kitchen Catastrophes, the show where cooking is a sport, food is a weapon, and nothing ever goes right, ever. Do not try this recipe at home, unless you enjoy explosions. Meet Whiskers the Cat, culinary genius, but also a clumsy furball. Tonight, I whippeth up the supreme cookie. He talks fancy, he cooks not so fancy. Hi, I volunteer as taste tester. He says that while secretly inhaling crumbs like a vacuum cleaner. No, nibbling, what? I am innocent baby mouse. The recipe begins, and so does the doom. First, the flour. Just a gentle pour, right? Wrong, instant snowstorm. The kitchen becomes Antarctica. Whiskers is now Frosty the Cat. I live here now. Next, the Choco Catastrophe. Squeaky, don't you dare. Suddenly, Squeaky appears with approximately 47 chocolate chips in his mouth. Quality control, as you can see, is always questionable. And now for the sugar ... Or is it? Squeaky, reading the label upside down, is quite confident. This totally says sugar. I disagree. Loudly. This cookie tastes like the ocean punched me. Chaos mode activated. The kitchen transforms into a full-blown circus. We have eggs bouncing like basketballs, spoons launching into orbit, and Squeaky surfing on a spatula. But wait. Is the oven ... glowing like a fire dragon? I think the cookies are angry. Kaboom! Chocolate everywhere. This is officially a recipe of disaster. Congratulations. Even the ceiling is edible now. So next time maybe we follow the recipe. Nah, chaos tastes better. Thanks for surviving another episode of Kitchen Catastrophes. Be sure to like and subscribe. And comment below. What food should Whiskers destroy next? Maybe pancake panic? Or pizza pandemonium? Let us know.